I used to have a full front lip going across the car. Andre, please, if you don't mind showing me what's remaining of it. Good morning, YouTube. We're back with another episode of F30s. What we're doing here today is installing front splitters. As you can see, it's missing. I used to have a full front lip going across the car. Andre, please, if you don't mind showing me what's remaining of it. What we have remaining here is one side of the lip. And the other side of the lip, there used to be also a piece in the center that lost approximately 4 hours after installing. Shout out to my boy Czar. And now we're gonna be testing out carbon fiber front splitters actually, because I know lips won't last long. This, I got it for $100. Rather, it's carbon fiber as well, rather than, I don't know, somewhere around 200 for a full front lip. I've had 3 of those so far, and one more that was a 2-piece, didn't last long. So we'll see how long this one lasts, all right? And I don't know if you guys should go back in the channel. We have installed a diffuser that's also carbon fiber.
How did that one fit?
We also have installed a carbon fiber one in the bag then. The Fitment.
Check out the video. That's all you guys.
I can't, yeah.
Just check out the video.
There was a lot of drilling and cutting. Yeah. Just go take a look. We'll be back. We'll let you know how this one fits. All right? Stay tuned. All right, so the first step of preparing for a front lip is to clean the surface. As you can see, we haven't cleaned the surface and we won't be cleaning the surface. So on to the next step is cutting out the 3M tape on the appropriate side. Have a few running across. You might need more than provided, but it all depends on your driving. I might need 17 more of these, but you know, this will do for now until it flies off. So we'll be cutting 2 pieces on each side just to make sure it fits on both, and then filling out the sides as needed. All right, so as you guys can see, this is how we laid out the tape. It's mostly because of the connecting points. As you can see here is flat, how it sits like this. It's the flat part. As you can see here is flared out, so tape is not gonna really do much. So where you want to tape up is where it's mostly connecting. On this side as well is where it sits like this, directly on. But sometimes, as you guys can see, of course, you get what you pay for. When job is done cheaply, there's always some blemishes that you can always sand off if needed, but honestly, it's not worth it for this because it's not gonna last long. So yeah, come back to see how it looks. All right, guys, as you said earlier, it all depends on how it's made. Of course, you get what you pay for. As you can see, this side sits pretty clean because honestly on the bottom, it's not even as flared, sitting clean. But if you move over to this side, you can see how it has a little play on the bottom. Even though we have taped it up, it's still not doing it. So again,
it's just the way they laid out the carbon and molded it together. That side is, if you put that side in, that side pops out. So that's just the way it has to be. So yeah, either way, these will last about 4 hours. So
we'll see. Oh, we should time it on our way to the gym right now. We'll see how long it lasts.
All right, Z, what do you give them? Out of 10 for $100.
Honestly, you can't be greedy when it comes to like $100. I'll get them 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. Only thing I kind of don't like about them is the fact that right here, that just shows. Well, no.
But yeah, if you want something quick, and if you're not lowered, you want something for front lip, go for it. It might last you, but of course, being lowered, it's not gonna last long. Even that profile the shit out of it, it won't work. Come back to the channel. We'll have more videos for you guys. A lot more of this, and
if it lasts.
Or maybe next week you'll see another front lip installation video.
So,
stay tuned.
like, subscribe.